One tip I always say is give your hair a really good brush and make sure you get the back of your hair, because the less tangles, the less messy the process. And then we pop your gloves on.
Okay.
I've made a protective barrier cream for your hairline. This really helps stop any staining.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's always really hard to get off, so.
And just put little dots around your hairline and then you can massage it in. It's always best to pop a dark towel around your shoulders as well so you don't get any dripping. Now it's time to mix your colour.
Great.
You always mix A into B. Make sure you give it a really good shake so it mixes in really well. So start really low above your hairline and work from the hairline towards the back. And then give it a good rub into the roots. Do little dots all the way down your hairline and then rub them in. It's really hard to colour the back of your own hair, but one tip is to start at the top of your head and work all the way down to the nape of the neck. Joe, that's been 20 minutes, so your roots are processing. I always think it's best to refresh the ends just for 10 minutes. So if you take sections of your hair from the top and apply the colour through the lengths of your hair. When you feel that you've saturated the whole of the ends, leave it for another 10 minutes and then shampoo. Jo's done a really brilliant job of covering all her grey hair at the root, and the shine and tone on the ends is really amazing after the colour refresh, all locked in using the deep conditioning treatment to keep every little bit of colour in there.